Hi friends. Today we are going to take a look at a draft model and answer some questions to put things in the right order. So first, if you look next to the letter A at the top, it says read the draft model. Use the questions to help you put the events in order. So let's read it. I tied my shoes. I put my socks on. I put my shoes on. What is the writing about? Well, it sounds like it's about putting your shoes on. Which event happened first? So we have three sentences, so we have three events. I tied my shoes. I put my socks on. I put my shoes on. Well, before you can put your shoes on, you have to put your socks on. So I'm going to put the number 1 above the middle sentence because I think that happened first. Now, before you can tie your shoes, you have to put your shoes on. So I'm going to put this sentence down here with the number 2 because I think that happened next. And last, I tied my shoes. I'm going to put a number 3 down here because you can't put your shoes on until you have your socks, or you can't tie your shoes until you have put your socks and your shoes on. So now we're going to write the sentences in order, but we also have to use the word first, next, last. So let's start with the word first. I put my socks on. So let's use the first sentence first. I put my socks on. Period. Next, we already did that sentence. I put my shoes on. Next, I put my shoes on. And then last, I tied my shoes. Okay, make sure they each have a period at the end. So let's read it. First, I put my socks on. Next, I put my shoes on. Last, I tied my shoes. Okay, so we use the word first, next, and last in the sentence, and we put them in the right order. So take a picture so that Mrs. Shimia can see that you did it on Seesaw.